Hello everybody, Jerkin is here. Once again, I feel like I have some more to get off my chest. When I was about the tender age of 12, 13 years old, I discovered the great feeling of ejaculation, what have you not, and loved it, fell in love with it right off the bat. I had heard some rumors about kids sticking their dicks in vacuum cleaners and whatnot. Tried it, liked it, loved it, whatever. At this same period of time, my mom was working vigorous hours. I was able to skip school and erase the messages off the answering machine immediately that I didn't attend that day. I have an older sister who's in high school. Waited for her to leave this morning and stayed back after. God damn if I didn't pull that hoover out immediately. Decided to masturbate with the vacuum in the doorway, just so I can see out the window if anybody pulled up. A couple minutes go by, I'm in the doorway with that hoover. Could have been a Dyson, who knows nowadays, you know what I mean, all these different vacuums and whatnot. Fixated on my penis. I was in full focus mode, mouth open, forgot about, paying attention to that driveway. I was feeling it, and something told me, look out the window. I opened my eyes, and to my horror, I found my sister and her friend Allison, who was my first crush, standing there in complete horror. There was no comedic element to it at all. It was strictly, embarrassment and horror on their face. As they came in, I ran out. I remember hearing from my sister later on that night. The whole house smelled like burnt rubber for the weekend. I remember that. But story that affected my life. Allison, if you're out there, I apologize. I've changed my ways. Thanks, guys.